Congratulations, you've reached our final module, Module 7 of Managerial Accounting. Let's go over our module topics. We have two topics in this module. First, we'll discuss the final exam, and then a discussion assignment, which is a reflection. The final exam is set up very much like the midterm exam, so this is what you can expect to see. The exam will be made up of integrated exercises on the following topics: statement of cash flows, ratio analysis, capital budgeting, return on investment, and time value of money applications. It would be wise to review the material we covered in modules 4, 5, and 6. Again, be sure to review the instructions before proceeding. There might be some time or attempt restrictions, limits that were set by your instructor. If there is a time limit, it is recommended to complete the exam in one sitting. Now let's discuss our reflection discussion. This reflection allows you to take a step back and synthesize your learning from the financial and operational analysis project, including the CVP analysis, the capital budgeting, and CSR evaluation. You'll reflect on key takeaways and the challenges, and how these analytical and ethical frameworks apply to the real-world managerial decision-making process. You'll also engage with peers by comparing insights, expanding on ideas, and discussing applications in different organizational contexts. This exercise should help strengthen your ability to connect financial data, strategic decisions, and ethical considerations. If you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor. I'd like to congratulate you on the completion of this course in managerial accounting. Best of luck in your academic and professional journey.